Today we're learning the zero exponent rule. The zero exponent rule states that if base a is raised to the zero power, the answer is equal to 1. And a here can be equal to 1 because 0 to the 0 power is indeterminate. Here are the 5 examples. Give it a try and play the video whenever you're ready for the solutions. Simplify. Your answer should only contain positive exponents. Question number 1. 3x to the 0 power. For this problem, 0 is the exponent of the base x alone, not the entire thing 3x. Using the zero exponent rule, the value of x to the 0 is equal to 1. So number 1 is the same thing as 3 times 1, and that gives us 3. Question number 2. The quantity 3x squared to the 0 power. The entire term 3x squared is raised to the 0 power. So that means the whole thing becomes a 1. Question number 3. The quantity a squared b to the 4th times the quantity ab to the power of negative 4. To simplify number 3, we need to use first the product rule. We multiply first the variable a and then multiply the variable b. Multiplying a squared and a to the 1st, we need to add the powers 2 and 1. Simplifying the variable b, we need to add b to the 4th plus negative 4. Simplifying this, we have a to the power of 3 and b to the power of 0. And b to the 0 can be simplified further as 1. So we have a cubed times 1, which is simply a cubed. Question 4. The quantity 4x squared y to the power of negative 2 times the quantity x cubed y squared. The second group is the same thing as 1x cubed y squared. The first thing that we need to do here is multiply the numerical coefficients 4 and 1, which is 4. Now we simplify the variable x squared and x cubed, and adding the powers 2 and 3, that is 5. Now let's simplify the y. We have y to the power of negative 2 and y to the power of 2. Adding negative 2 plus 2, that's 0. And using the zero exponent rule, the value of y to the 0 is equal to 1. So we have 4x to the 5th times 1, which is simply 4x to the 5th. Question number 5. The quantity 3a squared b to the power of negative 4, c to the power of 4, multiplied by 4a to the power of negative 2, b to the 4th, c to the 0 power. So first thing is to multiply the 3 and the 4, which is 12. For the variable a, we add the powers 2 and negative 2, which is 0. For the variable b, we add the powers negative 4 and 4, which is b to the 0. And for the c, we add the powers 4 and 0, which is 4. What do you think is the answer for this problem? The answer to this problem is 12c to the 4th. The reason for this is a to the 0 is equal to 1, and b to the 0 is also equal to 1. So 12 times 1 times 1 times c to the 4th is 12c to the 4th. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing to my channel at Celzo Academy.